Hidden in the stars. Stories not born from testing. Belief, not the proof. Pseudoscience refers to claims or beliefs that are presented as scientific, but do not adhere to the scientific method. These ideas often lack reliable evidence, cannot be tested or falsified, and fail to undergo rigorous peer review. Despite this, they frequently appear convincing and are often shared through popular media, blurring the line between fact and fiction for many people. Science relies on evidence, reproducibility, and skepticism. Scientists form hypotheses, conduct controlled experiments, and revise ideas based on data. Pseudoscience bypasses this process. It relies instead on anecdotal evidence, emotional appeals, vague language, and often avoids being proven wrong. If a claim cannot be tested, it cannot be truly scientific. Astrology is a common example. Daily horoscopes found in newspapers or apps suggest that planetary positions influence personality traits or predict events in people's lives. However, scientific studies have failed to find consistent, measurable effects that support astrological claims. Horoscopes tend to use vague or general language that could apply to anyone, making them more about interpretation than evidence. Cryptozoology, such as belief in the Yowie in Australia or Bigfoot in North America, often captivates the imagination. While stories of mysterious creatures can be entertaining, the evidence for their existence usually consists of anecdotal sightings, blurry photos, or footprints, none of which hold up under scientific scrutiny. Unlike real biological discoveries, cryptids lack physical specimens, peer-reviewed studies, or DNA evidence. Flat Earth theory claims that the Earth is flat despite centuries of evidence to the contrary. Images from satellites, aircraft navigation, and the physics of gravity all support the understanding that the Earth is a sphere. The resurgence of this theory on platforms like YouTube and TikTok shows how persuasive pseudoscience can be when packaged as rebellious or alternative thinking. Dowsing, or water witching, involves the use of rods or sticks to locate underground water. This practice is still used in some rural areas, but scientific tests have repeatedly shown it to be no more reliable than random guessing. It persists in part because of tradition and anecdotal success, but it lacks support from well-designed scientific studies. The role of media is significant. Television programs, online videos, and social media posts often sensationalize pseudoscientific ideas to attract attention and boost engagement. This can lead to a widespread acceptance of misinformation. These platforms may rely on dramatic storytelling, personal anecdotes, or endorsements by celebrities, making unverified claims appear credible. This highlights the importance of developing strong media literacy skills. Media literacy is the ability to critically analyze and evaluate information found in various forms of media. People need to learn how to question the credibility of sources, identify bias, detect logical fallacies, and distinguish between evidence-based reporting and sensationalism. Understanding how pseudoscience is presented can help people avoid being misled and make informed decisions based on reliable information. Incorporating media literacy into education encourages skepticism, critical thinking, and responsible information sharing.